Specialty Mustang here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Just in 2007 Shelby GT500. Good looking convertible, and listen to this, only 961 miles. That's right, 961 actual miles. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and confirming those actual miles. Underneath the hood, the 5.4 liter dual overhead cam, supercharged V8. Of course, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, 6-speed manual transmission, power top. Take a look at the front end of that one. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, scratches. Paint shows well. This is one of those cars that makes my job easy. It pretty much speaks for itself. All right, still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down, car from every angle. Over 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct SVT wheels. Those big Brembo brakes behind the wheels, and the tires were replaced in 2024 due to age, so you're ready to roll there. Let's take a look down this passenger side again. You can see paint looks like it's wet. No major nicks, dings, scratches. Dark charcoal interior, of course, the black exterior with white stripe. Does have the Shaker 500 stereo system. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. It'll also come with the convertible top cover. That was still in the wrapper over here, so I didn't take it out. I pictured it the way you see it. Front license plate bracket will go with it, of course, and that has not been installed in the front, obviously. Complete dual exhaust, catalytic converters. Technician noted the brakes are 100% in the front, 100% in the rear. Imagine that. Once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Mustangs, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And as you can see up and down this driver's side, it also shows very, very well. Reflection in that black paint, mirror-like finish. Nice and glossy. Let's take a look at this interior. Again, it's what you'd expect in a clean Carfax car with such low miles. Good look at that door panel. Of course, your modern amenities with the power locks, power mirrors, power windows, power seat over here in the driver's side. And as you can see, there's also just practically no wear at all on those seats. That holds true in the back and on the passenger side also. Of course, cruise control, tilt column. And again, that Shaker 500 stereo system. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let's hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, we'll have Jason take it for just a real quick short drive, show you how it goes down the road. It's going to drive out like a new car. There's your exact miles, 961. No service engine soon light, check engine soons, anything like that. Good sounding stereo systems, no doubt. Excellent sounding cars too. Slip around to the back so you can take a listen. All right, let me slip up to the front. I want to get this hood open. We're going to take a peek at that engine bay. I'm going to show you how the top functions, show you that working. We'll also check out the condition of that. And then, like I said, we'll have Jason take it for a little quick spin. All right, hood propped open. There's the hood liner. That heat extracting hood, and you can tell it hasn't been driven in any inclement weather. It's like new. And look at how clean this engine bay is. Amazing. .500 horsepower in 2007. That was some ponies. Strut tower brace, as you can see. And again, dual overhead cam. 5.4 liter. Supercharged with that 6-speed manual transmission. Let me go ahead and get the tripod set up so I can show you this convertible top. And convertible top up and latched. Nice fit above the windshield, a black fabric top. You can see the power windows rolled up, nice fit there. No surprises on this top either. A little bit of lint on it, but glass rear window. No rips, tears, holes. Doesn't really show anywhere at all. It's probably been down more than it's been up. And passenger side glass. Nice fit there also. Didn't expect there to be any surprises there. And let me go ahead and show you it folding back into the storage compartment. And then, like I said, Jason will take it for a drive less than 1,000 miles on this 2007 Shelby GT500, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile card, yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract also. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2007 Ford Mustang GT500. Doesn't take long to get up to the speeding limit, over the speeding limit. This is a manual transmission with 6 fun gears. Stereo sounds good. All our gauges are working. This car, its claim to fame is this has less than 1,000 miles on it. From 2007, a very powerful Ford with less than 1,000 miles on it, looking like new inside and out. Seats aren't even broken in. If you missed your chance to get a new one, buy this one. Black on black with white stripes. Of course, it's a manual transmission for the most fun. Brakes are nice and smooth. Steering is nice and tight. Flat cornering, a very performance-oriented Mustang from Ford. As you can see, it is winter, but we do wash our vehicles, so we can do these drive videos for you. Love to hear this thing get up to speed. Check out all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.